Hey guys, we are direct at SPS Motorsport, so we are introducing a new clutch company. So we've been working for I think about 3 years with the company Competition Clutch out of the States, but we had some issues in the past, especially with shattering. So when you just lift up a little throttle, no, not the throttle, the clutch pedal, you just feel a really hard shaking in the car. And we said, okay, special for a stage 1 turbo kit, so which means in our point 250 horses, nearly 300 Newton meters, then we will definitely use a full organic clutch. The full organic clutch, we have here now all stages. All our stages are 1 to 4, or when we decided we just need 2 or 3. You will see for your Master MX-5 and A and B and C and D that we have the right clutch for your solution with horsepower measuring. If you are not sure which clutch you need, just shoot us a message and we will tell you which clutch is for you, the right one, and we will get you informed. Every clutch we sell comes with the clutch itself. In the package there's a little grease package for the driveline, or for the main shaft. It comes with pressure plate, with the bearings, so for the transmission, and also the bearings for the crankshaft. So as you can see here, we have stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. So this is something we recommend to use when you're running 330 horsepower, around 420 Newton meters, like a GT30 T2 build. We see that a lot. That's the right clutch for you. When you say, okay, I want to just go a little bit more extreme, so with the EFR 6758, I would recommend to use this one. This one will handle in your car around 500 Newton meters with about 380 horses. And if you say, okay, we go crazy, we go up to 400, 450, whatever, this is the right clutch for you. It's a 4-pedal clutch, which can handle about 550 Newton meters of torque. And when you say, okay, we want to go over 500, we have also a twin blade clutch for you, which we recommend then to use, but street driving is then not so easy anymore because it's nothing with springs, so it's a complete hard clutch. So yeah, if you have any questions about the product, or if you have any questions about us, just shoot us in the comments, and yeah, we are happy to help you. See you soon, bye. Hey guys, we will also do for you fitting videos, so we will show you MX-5 and A and B clutch fitting, MX-5 and C clutch fitting, MX-5 and D clutch fitting. So you can see how you do it in your garage, when you're just in a rent garage, so you know which bolt you have to use, which tools you have to use, and this will be pretty awesome, I think, special for the guys when you are at home. We will give you some information how to do all that stuff. Thank you very much for your time, and see you soon. Bye.